Today I share with you how to cook Nigerian party jollof rice in professional way. Let me show you how this is being done. This is going to be the best jollof rice you ever see or eat. Let's dive on this video. To begin, I'm going to be needing chicken. I have the lap over there. I'm going to be needing this seasoning that's come from Odogun Food. I'm going to add in the stew seasoning, then jollof rice seasoning, thyme, then add in chicken seasoning, add in this curry powder, and then add the mangi cube, that is not cube, and then add the oil and stir that together. So now I'm going to be adding paprika and salt, then stir everything together until it gets combined like this. So I'm going to use that to get that chicken rub and then use it to get the chicken marinate. I just rub all over the body of the chicken. I'm going to marinate that for 30 to 40 minutes. But before that, I'm going to use this foil paper to cover the leg of the chicken like this. So I'm going to do all of it and then keep that aside to get marinate. I just covered that. 40 minutes later, I'm going to transfer all the chicken back to this pot because I'm going to use this pot to get that cooked. So now the chicken has marinated. I just transfer everything, then add in this 1 cup of water, add in these chopped onions and get that cooked. Here is another process we have to follow when making Nigeria party jollof rice. See how I get my pepper mix. First of all, I get rid of the seed. After getting rid of the seed of the tomato, I pour that inside this pot, then add in the pepper and onions and cook that for 20 minutes. After cooking the pepper, this is what I have. At this point, it has cooked so nice. All I do is to transfer that inside this blender and get that blend. All you have to do, guys, is just to share this video, follow this process. You are going to enjoy Nigeria jollof rice in professional way. After blending everything, I keep it aside. All I do now is to check the chicken. At this point, it has cooked so nice. I just bring all the foil and then bring out the chicken from the stock water. After arranging everything back to this bowl, all I do now is to turn out the stock water. So over here I have oil. I'm going to transfer the oil inside this pot, then add in the ginger garlic paste, then these onions, and then add that back to the pan and stir together. I'll just fry that for 1 minute. 1 minute later, I add in the pepper mix. I get stirred together. Over here I have the same spices, which is stew spices, jollof rice spices, salt to taste, then no cube, so that is 2 cubes, and then stir together. So guys, go and patronize Odogun Food. So get that cook, and now I have this oil. I'm going to use that oil to get this chicken fry. I just add in the oil and then add in the chicken inside the oil. So I'm going to be frying that until it turns golden brown like this. It fries so nice. So guys, during this process, just be turning other side so that it will fry so nice. So now I just fry the remaining 2 and it's ready. After frying all the chicken, I just keep it aside. At this point, guys, the tomato has cooked so nice and it's ready. Look at that. So this doesn't waste time anymore because I first of all get that parboil. So what I do now is to add in this stock water. You don't need any other water, guys. This is just the water you need. Stir the stew together. Over here I have washed rice, so I'm just going to transfer the rice inside the stew. I add everything and stir together. I'm going to cover that to cook. After cooking that for 10 minutes, this is what I have. 10 minutes of cooking. I'm going to stir that together. After stirring again, I'm going to cover that again for another 10 minutes. 10 minutes later, this is what I have. So I'm going to still stir that together. You can see the stew and everything is getting combined at this point. Now I'm going to be adding this foil paper. Now I'm going to cover that with foil paper for it to cook so nice. I just covered that for another 20 minutes. Over here I have cabbage, then the same time I have carrot, then over here I have mayonnaise. After adding the mayonnaise, I add in this lemon. So I'm going to make a small salad for us to use together, enjoy, mix like this and keep it aside. At this point, rice done, my people. Look at jele now. This jollof rice is everywhere. It's setting so nice at this point. So what I do now is to add in this butter. I'm going to be adding this butter and get the stir to get that. My people, what's be that? Now jollof rice be this, the one and only Nigeria party jollof rice. At this point, I'm going to arrange the chicken back to the top of rice and get that served. My people, this is just the best way to make your Nigeria party jollof rice. You can notice, guys, I did not add in water, but when you come across that stew, you will be like, this stew is too much. My people, it's not too much. As found that you have bring this stew, this is the stew I'm going to use to cook this rice. Just pour your rice inside the stew. You are going to love your food, because why? It's going to cook when you follow this process, and that stew is going to get inside that your rice, and every bit of that rice is going to be delicious. You can see the way I coat the rice, guys. Just follow that process to coat your Nigeria party jollof rice. You are not going to make jollof rice in any other process apart from this process. It's going to be your favorite. In my next one, oh yeah, bye.